Hi toddlers and toddler families, it's Miss Phylicia here, and I'm getting ready to show you all how I make Play-Doh at my house. Now, in the toddler room, we've been so very interested in reading Dr. Seuss's books, and one of our favorites right now is green eggs and ham. So I thought today we could make some green Play-Doh together. So my recipe does call for some cooking on the stove, and if you're interested in a video on how to make Play-Doh without the cooking, you can take a look back at our Alphabet YouTube channel and watch Miss Karen's video. Otherwise, keep watching and let's make some Play-Doh. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need to make the Play-Doh. I have some white flour, some water, some salt, some cream of tartar here, and some vegetable oil here in this glass bowl. I went ahead and pre-measured everything and took it out for myself since I'm not having any help recording today. I'm by myself, but I have my mixing spoon and my medium-sized pot here on the stove, and I have my fire on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up a little bit so I can get ready to start adding the ingredients in. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Should coat the bottom of the pan soon. I like to tilt it a little bit just to get it moving. Perfect. And then I'll add my flour. That's 1 cup of flour. And then I'll go ahead and add my cream of tartar. This is 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And then I'll add my salt. This is 1 tablespoon of salt. I went ahead and took it out already. And then this is 1 cup of water. Go ahead and add it in also. I like to keep my fire on low, and I'm just gonna give it a nice mix. It's been about 2 minutes and my heat is still on a medium to low setting, and my Play-Doh is starting to form together as I mix around the sides. It's not really sticking to the pot as much as really sticking to itself and sticking to my spoon. So it's been about 5 minutes and my Play-Doh is already sticking to my spoon. So that tells me that it's time to start kneading. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my cutting board, and there we are, it's already off. So it is going to be pretty warm when it first comes out of the pot. I have to knead with 1 hand today since I'm recording myself do this. And give it a nice knead. Naturally I would use 2 hands, but it's fine. All right. I like to give it a nice spread. So now I'm ready to start adding my food dye. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. Let's go for 5. So I did 5 little drops. Sitting down in front of the camera now, and I have my green dye still in my Play-Doh. I just needed 2 hands to knead this because I really want the color to mix very well. That just about does it. And there you have it. There's your green Play-Doh. So I went ahead and put my Play-Doh in a sandwich baggie. I squeezed out all of the air because I don't want it to dry out. Of course, you can use an airtight container to keep your Play-Doh from drying out, but this should last you a couple of months, and it's so much fun. The toddlers can do so much imaginative play with this, and I really hope to see the things that you come up with. Thank you so much for watching and making Play-Doh with me today. See you soon.